There's amazing things going on the island of Aruba around connecting with people and getting involved and the barrios and the neighborhoods. So I'm very impressed with what's going on, and we're learning a lot over the seminars over the next couple days. The intention of the seminars is using something called asset-based community development, and it starts with what can we do with what we already have to get what we need by focusing on the gifts that people have, the talents, the skills, the abilities that everybody has in the barrio, in the neighborhood. How do we unlock those and engage those people doing what they can do to help their families, to help themselves, to help the community by sharing their gifts or their skills or their abilities. What we're trying to do, and I think the government wants to learn how to do this as well, is how do we work together with people doing those things that people can do and government doing those things that it can do and working together to build a stronger Aruba. A good example of the work that's going on in Aruba is the Oasis project that built last weekend. It built this wonderful park in a neighborhood, in a barrio, by people coming together that live there and doing it themselves. The goal is to have this starting a dialogue to give people in Aruba and the government some new tools that they can use to get more people engaged in their neighborhood and more people involved.